So let's start with a pretty tough reality check. With the price of a standard grocery run or, your monthly rent creeping higher and higher every single year and the economy fundamentally shifting beneath our feet, can you really rely solely on a traditional job anymore? The data heavily suggests that households are feeling the squeeze right now. For a lot of us, having just a single stream of income feels way less like security and honestly a lot more like a massive risk. To really hammer home this paradigm shift, just look at this number. 81% of companies are now hiring based on specialized skills rather than just traditional degrees. I mean, that is a structural game changer. The job market is heavily rewarding the people who can adapt quickly and pick up the very specific abilities that businesses desperately need to survive in this new landscape. So here is how we're going to map out these 10 paths today. We'll cover the new wealth landscape, mastering high-income tech skills, launching AI and B2B hustles, building scalable service businesses, investing in tomorrow's winning sectors, and we will wrap it all up with your next move. Starting right off with Section 1, the new wealth landscape, adapting to the 2026 economy. This quote from JourneyBee really hits the nail on the head for our current economic era. It's a stark reminder that diversifying your income streams is absolutely no longer optional. It's a crucial necessity for your financial security. Building out a career portfolio and constantly exploring new avenues is literally how you build a fortress around yourself against inflation and crazy industry disruptions. Moving into Section 2, master high-income tech skills, which makes up Tier 1 of our wealth pyramid. So the data clearly points to mastering these core pillars, especially generative AI and cybersecurity, as our first two proven paths to generating serious, high-margin income right now. Companies are practically falling over themselves trying to hire people who can automate their tasks with AI or secure their sensitive data from surging cyber threats. If you want to rapidly increase your active income, this is a brilliantly strategic place to focus your energy. And just look at the structural demand backing these skills up. We are looking at a projected 22% increase in software developer jobs and a massive expected growth of nearly 28% in the AI sector. This kind of demand is exactly what drives salaries through the roof. By positioning yourself right in the middle of these growth currents, you're essentially guaranteeing your market value. That brings us to Section 3, Launch AI and B2B Hustles. This is Tier 2, all about scaling your time. For our third path, the sources highlight a complete mindset shift. You have to move away from the old way of trading your hours for dollars. Instead, you leverage AI tools to massively improve your throughput. This means you charge a flat project rate for triple the output. You're not replacing yourself with AI here. Actually, you're just pricing your newfound efficiency to dramatically inflate your effective hourly rate. It's a total game changer. Way number 4 taps right into the booming B2B space. Think about it. Companies want to scale through partnerships rather than hiring massive, expensive in-house teams. By learning partner relationship management, or PRM software, you can swoop in and act as a fractional channel expert. You help startups run their partner ecosystems remotely, and because you are directly driving their revenue, you can easily command retainers of up to $7,500 a month. Next is Section 4, build scalable service businesses, high demand, low supply. As entrepreneur Alex Hormozy loves to point out, you really don't always need a mountain of capital to start. Our fifth way is bootstrapping local service businesses. We're talking mobile pet grooming, junk hauling, specialized cleaning. Sure, they might not be the most glamorous jobs in the world, but the profit margins absolutely are. Consumer demand heavily outpaces local supply in most cities, meaning you can literally print flyers, knock on doors, and have cash in your hand within a week. Our sixth path is creating niche digital content. Look, trying to build a broad personal finance channel in 2026 is brutal. It's totally saturated. But serving a hyper-specific audience, like, say, personal finance specifically for brand new ER doctors, that creates an incredibly lucrative, defensible business. The riches really are in the niches. The smaller and more specialized the audience, the more advertisers and consumers will pay for your specific expertise. Let's move to Section 5, invest in tomorrow's winning sectors. This is Tier 3, macro investing. Now we've reached the very top of our wealth pyramid. Ways 7 and 8 are all about taking that capital you've just generated and making it work for you. Analysts like Strategic Alpha highlight that commodities and capital goods are seeing explosive demand right now. Think about the massive global push for electrification and green energy. It requires huge upgrades to our physical infrastructure. Assets like power transformers are seeing unbelievable replacement and new build demand. It is a prime setup for a structural bull run over the next few years. For our ninth path, institutions like JP Morgan note that as global supply chains fragment and get entirely bottlenecked, countries are aggressively prioritizing self-reliance. And this is opening up massive opportunities in emerging market equities. Investing in what they call national champions, these are companies strictly focused on their own domestic resilience and defense. That becomes an incredibly attractive way to grow your wealth as globalization kind of unwinds. In this fractured geopolitical environment, holding traditional safe havens and real assets is absolutely vital to your portfolio. To give you a prime example of this pressure, gold has surged roughly 130% over the last 3 years. Anchoring parts of your portfolio in real, physical assets is a completely time-tested strategy to protect and grow your purchasing power when fiat currencies are facing heavy inflationary pressure. Our final and 10th way to build wealth is investing in the physical backbone of the AI supercycle. We aren't just talking about the flashy software companies here. We're talking about the pick and shovel plays, the data centers, the semiconductors, the fiber optics, and the advanced cooling technologies that are actually required to power this digital future. This physical infrastructure is a massive global theme, and it controls the real bottlenecks of the entire AI revolution. Finally, Section 6, your next move, taking action in 2026. So we've covered the entire pyramid today, all the way from high-income skills up to strategic macro investments. And a really powerful takeaway from the research is this. Building these new income streams isn't just about scoring some extra cash on the weekend anymore. It is the ultimate indicator of your professional resilience. In an economy that demands pure agility, actively managing your own wealth pyramid shows that you aren't just surviving these crazy shifts, you are actively leveraging them. So with the economic landscape fundamentally shifting, and these 10 proven ways to build wealth laid out right in front of you, the blueprint is essentially yours. The only question left is, will you step up and be an architect of your financial future, or are you just going to be a bystander? Which path are you going to conquer first?